drive right now.
So you don't have the game in the hard drive?
No, I have the game. I just don't have it downloaded. I buy most of my games digitally.
Oh, I prefer buying on disc. I bought 2 games on disc, but normally if I just think, oh, I don't want to go to the GameStop or something, and I just buy it on PlayStation.
The only time I buy a game on disc anymore is if I buy like a collector's edition.
Yeah, I really.
Later on.
Yeah, just talk. I just listen.
Later on down the road, I always end up buying the digital version of the game too.
But this Metal Gear is going to be the first Metal Gear I'm going to get a collector's edition, because I never got the chance to pre-order when I was younger, and at some point, as I told you, I never played Metal Gear on PS2 and as Metal Gear 3, so there was that time where I forgot about the game, and was there even made a new? I didn't think a lot about that, but I never know what to search for, and my English wasn't good at all, so.
It's okay.
But I was playing a lot of Battlefield Vietnam, and I was only 4 when I played that first time. Metal Gear I was 3 when I played Metal Gear first time.
Oh wow.
Yep. And I still remember one. I have, when I think back then, there was one point in the game I was spotted every time, but I get through the point, and then we have to change disc. It was in like it's looked. What I can remember, it's looked like a square, like a big room where there was like an refrigerator, fried. Yeah, whatever. It looked like a bedroom. No, the size like a bedroom, but not looks like a bedroom. It's the size of a big whatever bedroom, and it's when you walk up the stairs. Well, there were 2 guards, I remember, and one of the guards you have to hide for. Then you had a box that you can hide under air conditioner or something. Then I hide it there on. Alright, okay. I just stopped talking.
No, you're okay. Go ahead.
No, I can't even remember. I can't even remember what the exactly word of that I would say is. Yeah, whatever. Just say. Ask me a question.
If you had to pick, what would be your favorite Metal Gear?
Actually, I haven't tried the Phantom Pain yet. Ground Zeroes is quite grind.
You've played, obviously.
My favorite of all time, not which I like best, but that one that made me feel, damn, this is the best game I ever played of Metal Gear. I really like the idea with the Metal Gear 4, but still, Metal Gear 3 and Peace Walker, one of them will I choose, but I can't get myself to choose one of them because they are both great games. Really great games. Why did you give me a so hard choice? I can't even choose which one I will take now. Now I'm getting stressed. I think I will go have to the doctor and ask for some. Oh, I have to ask for some pills to not to get stressed. Which one of the games is my favorite?
Don't be stressed out.
Okay, to get unstressed, I go to my Skype and watch on my picture I made with Snake with the chicken head. You can get in the Phantom Pain. Wow, so beautiful.
Do you you follow Metal Gear Central on Instagram, right?
Yo, yeah, they're also following me.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know I help run that page, right?
So you run the page?
I help run the page. I'm
Oh,
Hero
yeah.
Syndrome. I'm one of the admins.
Oh, yeah.
Do you follow our Twitter?
No, I'm not using Twitter as much. I'm using more, like you said, Instagram. Actually, I'm watching Instagram often because of you, because actually many of your posts are actually true there, or they have some meaning, and they actually helped me. I didn't even know there was a new trailer before I read your post.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't know there was a trailer the 5th August, you know, 3 days ago.
Well, I'm glad to help keep you in the loop then.
Yeah, like I haven't seen that got so many pictures up here since. Even here, what the PS3 and PS4. Okay, actually, I can't. The only thing I can see in the difference between those two pictures is, a little more of the mountains is there on the PS4. The quality is a bit better, and the depth
Yeah, it's
of
a little more polished.
yeah, and the depth of field is more on. It's more focused on where you are sighting on PS4 than PS3. On PS3 you can see snakes, but on PS4 he's like shadowed or blurred. But okay, so actually on PS4 it will run with 60 frame per seconds.
Yes.
Cause okay, I remember when I bought my PS4, they said that PS4 couldn't run games on 60 frame rate per second or what. And now they actually updated PlayStation and made games allowed to run 60
Well,
FPS.
when the PS4, I think when the PS4 first came out, it wasn't running 60 frames a second, but they added an update like the next week.
Yeah, but also they also added to them who has really good connection, that when you share play you can play with a friend in 60 frame FPS.
Yes. Yeah.
But then you couldn't record because that will make something go fuck.
Yeah, it would hurt the connection. I mean, if you're recording and share playing at the same time, obviously there's going to be a bit of maybe lag or frame rate drop.
Yeah. But I can't wait to see the game, even the open world and the difference between outfits, and I really hope you can get a lot of masks or outfit selections like in Metal Gear 3 and a lot of much more. But also when I read on your Instagram that Metal Gear Online is delayed, I didn't know that before I read it on your Instagram.
Yeah, me and the other two admins that run the page, we all, we talked about it over a private chat room, and one of the admins, he told us there's
But yeah, also because if they're going to perfect it also maybe they're adding new other game modes, so they have some maps they have to because I've experienced in the Metal Gear 4 that the online service they had, they closed in 2012. They ended up with closing it after many of hacking and DDoS on the accounts or the servers, but still many times they close the servers for 4 days to update maps or even stabilize the server so so the players can be together. But still many times they experienced lagging in servers, or the service lost connection completely while maybe playing a tournament where you can, yeah. But I still can't wait to see what's going to be in this game. Even building our own Metal Gear again, maybe. Or... But I can't wait to see what I'm going. I can't wait because still going in school on that. So But when I'm coming home from school and I'm picking up that game, it's just like, oh my god, I have been waiting for this game for 3 years and now I can get it. And then I'm getting
You're gonna less than a month.
yeah, I know, and I'm just thinking, come on, we just only need 22 days more and we are there, and we're there. But I still need to pay off. I only paid 600 Danish crowns, or about, I mean, I still think it's $30. I think it is, but I still need to pay. Still need to pay 400. Okay. I'm just going to see how much $20, so I don't mess it up all up.
Alright.
Oh wait, no, it's not $20, $40, $50. No, Nilda, it's about. No, I'm still trying to get there. Okay, I already paid $90, and I still need to pay around. Okay, $90, and I still need to pay about $80 more for it to get the whole game.
I get you.
But still, I remember when they closed online servers down, this was the only fun that were back in the old Metal Gear games, rather than, there were also, Metal Gear 3.
Well,
Hey, yeah, I just remember the servers for Peace Walker is still open.
yes, I was actually playing Peace Walker with one of my admins last week. That was a lot
I
of
played
fun.
it I played it yesterday. I found one server with one from Australia, which was playing with the dinosaur dragon thing. I can't remember. Craziness.
The monster hunter missions.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised more people aren't playing Peace Walker right now, because of.
Yeah, 1974. Then Ground Zeroes is 1975, and then we got the Phantom Pain. It's 10 years after, about 10 years after. Around.
Yes.
Nearly 10 years.
That takes place 1984.
Yeah. But it's going to be.
Anyway, I'm gonna go for a little while. I'm gonna play some games and have some quiet time. Okay.
Oh, I'm going to be so alone again.
You're fine. You're playing Battlefield Hardline. I'm sure.
No, I'm not going to be fine because it's more fun to play a game if you have somebody to talk with. Even for the viewers in my live stream, have a better time watching. Yeah, while somebody's talking. It's not funny to talk with myself or just answer questions alone. Get the fuck away from me. But there's going to be so many awesome things. We can. Hey, what do you think about we going to play together or talk together on the first day of Metal Gear?
Well, I know on the first day of the Phantom Pain, I'm going to be doing a live stream of the game.
Me too. That's why I'm asking, because I already thought you will say that. So.
Yeah. Well, we're going to be doing it for everybody on Instagram. So with that, the only people that I will be interacting with at the time will be my admins and the people watching the stream.
If I may ask, can I get maybe let's say sometimes live streamers get some people in. I know maybe now it's just me, but if I may come in maybe for 10 minutes of interview or what like something. But it's your choice.
What are you wanting to do?
Like, yeah, maybe this is just an idea. Maybe take some of your viewers in for like 10 minutes, asking about what they think about the game, but not like spoiling the game, saying what have they done in the game, what have they completed already, but just like, what do they think of the game when they start the game up, the feelings and the ideas what they're going to expect later. Like.
So, like, basically, in other words, like you're saying, you want to, like, do a live interview.
Yeah, I'm going to take a lot. When I'm live streaming, I'm going to take some players in for them which are watching, if they want, come into my party in 10 minutes if it's on. Yeah, and then then I will ask questions of what if they have played the game yet, what they have tried, what they think about the. Yeah, but just the you know, the normal questions.
Well, I'll talk to the other admins about it and see how they feel. Like I said, I'll be streaming the game like the moment it unlocks on my PS4.
So you buy it on? No, are you buying it on digital or on?
Well, I bought the digital version and I bought the collector's edition.
Oh.
See, I don't intend to open up my collector's edition. I intend to hold on to it.
I actually have decal on my PlayStation with Metal Gear the Phantom Pain. But still, you can see if you made some interviews with some players, maybe 5 minutes of, well, if they just started the game up just like you guys, and or maybe their ideas of further, yeah, you know, but still it's not like an interview with like David Hayter or
yeah, that's fine. I mean, like I said, I don't have a problem with it. I just need to talk to the other admins of the Instagram page.
Yeah, cause okay. But I would still think yes, but still go further with it. Just ask them, cause you can see. I would think it was a great idea to take some of the viewers in and ask them about their first game experience when they just start the game up and what they felt like, and.
Well, that's the thing. Like, we don't know who all is going to be viewing. Mostly, it's for people who can't really afford to buy the game right now. But I think asking questions like that, I think would be kind of, you know, moot. If they haven't played the game, I mean, then there's no way they can tell you how they felt. So we're doing.
No. I'm not. Yeah, I know what you mean, but I meant like. What was your first feeling when you started the game? Of like when you just bought a new game you have waited for a long time, you getting a feeling inside that is, okay, this is as like, or maybe just get some viewers in and ask them what they want to do as the first thing in the game, want to try what they've seen in trailers, like we was talking about the trailers, so like the same in
yeah.
But if I may, or it's okay with admins and you maybe want to play with you sometime, maybe in the co-op or online or something.
All right, yeah, I'm sure we can figure something out. I just gotta talk to them. I'll talk to them about it today. I mean, the game, we still got a little bit before the game comes out, so we can definitely figure something out for you.
Yeah, and I'm sure I got a lot of time to play it, cause yeah, it's the game of the century.
Yeah, that's definitely how it seems. I hope it. Oh, well, I'm sure it will, but I hope it lives up to the expectations.
I hope it do, but I can still wait to see how it can go from desert to big cities in around. Yeah, but it's going to be great. It's going to be really great. I know that. But
it is. It's going to be a great game.
Yeah. But still, if I may come in your, when it is, then you know I already know about you. Do not spoil anything for somebody. If you have completed a mission, don't tell about it or what happened and how to do that. Just
Yeah, just like if you do, like if we let you come in and you talk to them, just be careful with the questions that you ask, because some fans, they may not have a problem answering spoiler questions, so
No,
we don't
no,
want
no,
that, of course.
no. But I will also answer questions about the old games. I don't think that as a spoiler. If they're asking about Metal Gear 1, what you think about?
Oh, you want to ask about the old games?
Yeah, but if they're going to ask about them, or if somebody haven't played it before and they're asking what it's about, the old games or the story too.
Oh, okay.
And you know, also like if they are asking what do you think about seeing Psycho Mantis as an appearance in Metal Gear 5, then I will answer, I don't know if it's a Mantis. I won't tell you if it's Mantis. I can't tell you if it's Mantis because I don't know, and I won't tell you because that will spoil for everybody. So I can't tell you, and I won't tell you if it's Psycho Mantis, and I don't know it. So that's how I'll answer if that was one of kind of the questions I will get. Cause right, who the fuck knows if it's Psycho Mantis on the first day? Isn't I played the old game? I'm done. You know, you just picked it up. Yes.
You never know. I mean, you already know that there's going to be people who are fanatical about the game, and they'll have it 100%ed within just a few days.
Yeah, many. I also found many have used hacks on the Ground Zero. So when you start up the game in the Phantom Pain, you have completed everything. Cause on the base codes, if you go on PC and you found Ground Zero's base codes, you can find the Phantom Pain and find everything that in game. I haven't read anything of it in my files, but I found something, and it's like a lock to the real game. So when you buy it, that lock gets deleted. Somehow have players managed to delete it by their own, and when you complete.
Okay. That takes away the fun of the game.
Yeah, so but I don't know why somebody wants to cheat in a game that should be experienced from top to toe. It's really destroying a game for everybody.
Definitely.
But like we were talking about spoilers, I don't like giving spoilers. I want every player to find out how to do it by yourself. Like playing a game, you don't know the controls with help. You have to do it by yourself, or else you won't be good at it. Right. It's all right to help a baby to feed a baby, but still the baby can't do it by itself. You know? It's a baby.
Exactly.
And it's hungry. But you should go. Man. But you're going to go now.
Yep, I'm gonna go for now. Okay.
All right. See you later or something. Right. You can just invite me to a party.
All right. I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Så er livestream direkte over på dansk. Det er dejligt at møde fans. Eller fans med Metal Gear. Det er så dejligt. Skal jeg måske lige hurtigt ændre mit sprog om på min livestream på om til dansk, sådan at det way, eller ved du her. Nu skal min livestream ikke stå på engelsk mere, for så tror jeg snakker engelsk alle sammen. Med skotte 12 er det så det hedder. Også bliver lige snipet, ligesom jeg får mig selv op. Opdater. Så nu skal jeg lige have min nu skal jeg lige ind og uploade den der lille video der før, hvor jeg snakker med Metal Gear med ham der. Skal jeg lige uploade den på YouTube. Så bare lige uploade noget på YouTube her. Med ham, ja. To timer siden, nu skal vi lige se, om det er den. Så er der selvfølgelig reklamer, fuck det. rende mig. Men så har jeg lige haft en, hvis det er på den her video, den hører til, så er det 2 timer snak, jeg har haft med en amerikaner, som Metal Gear fans, som jeg er. Det bliver årets spil, men det kan jeg kraftigt ikke på. Nu må der være det næste her. Hvor er du henne, Skotte? Du kan lige komme ind, du kan spawn på mig, så du kommer ind til mig. Og du er ej, hvad sagde den der? Nu skal bare lige hurtigt se, om det er den rigtige video, så jeg slukker lige hurtigt headset i 2 minutter. Så spørger jeg om lige om lidt. Jeg har sat det jo bare til roligt.